boys ask me to go out with them. But I always turn them down. It's not like I'm not interested in boys. I just didn't feel like dating anyone. Except for one person.
Who?
Someone who's always been there. Right next to me. Up until now, I always thought of you as just a childhood friend. No, I was just trying to tell myself that because I was afraid to admit my feelings. But I finally realized I can't keep lying to myself and lying to you. I have to be honest with my feelings. This is so embarrassing, but I can't stand just being friends anymore. Listen up, okay? Because it takes a lot of courage to say this. I love you, you idiot! I love you more than anything else in the world!
Osana, to tell you the truth, I'm very sorry, but I don't think we're right for each other.